I'm not gonna solve this damn thing because I don't know how it damn works. Are there invisible platforms? I don't get it, man. There's nothing to understand. God damn it. How am I supposed to do that? How am I supposed to do this? It's like, it's not even funny either, man. Like, it's not funny. How am I supposed to do this? Are there invisible platforms? Aren't you supposed to light up the path with the flute? Khan coded a light up the path with the flute. And you can't light up the path with the flute, because that's the flute. There's no... Damn it. Let's go, puzzle dudes.